Hey guys, welcome back. Mike here. Another episode of Mike's RC Corner. Little man's over there. He's rocking the Sanhee Racing G174. Also goes under the brand name of Hosum, and maybe a couple others. Thanks for tuning into this. But this video is about this WLTOYS model, the 12402. It's the D7 off-road. They call it a rock racer, rock crawler. It's supposed to be high speed. It's got a wheelie bar. This is in total stock form. It comes with a Li-ion battery, 1500 milliamp hour, and we're just going to do the driving video. If you want, check out the unboxing video. Thanks for tuning into this. Let's give this thing a rip. There she goes. So it's fairly fast. It's got pretty big tires on it. It certainly seems almost like a 110 scale size, but it's the wheelbase that's close, and then gives it the 110, 112 scale. Now we got the car door open here. So it does blast through the grass really well because of the big tires and the clearance. And we see my son's trying to follow me. Pretty good. I noticed that it has a wheelie bar, but I cannot get it to wheelie. And the box claims 45 kilometers an hour. Now it is fairly fast, but I don't think it's 45 fast. Over here I have my radar system, and we'll set that up soon. And it's got that normal WLTOYS stock radio. I kind of like it. It's just that the wheel's a little small, but overall it's good. It's still a foam wheel. So this thing's got friction shocks. It goes pretty quick. I like it. You can also dial it down. So I'll dial it down. That is the slowest it goes on a dual rate. And I'll just dial it up. That's about half speed. Right there. So you can dial this sucker all the way down. That's kind of funny. And give this to a beginner. Then of course you can dial it right up. Now I wonder if they want this to go 45, that this thing will accept a 3S LiPo or a Li-ion. It also will take a LiPo, but you gotta be careful because the Li-ion cutoff is different than a LiPo cutoff. So if you want to do that, I mean, you might be able to get to 45 with a LiPo installed, but they put Li-ions in these. Basically, the pack is like those two 18650 batteries, kind of like welded together, soldered together, and comes with a Dean's plug, which I like. But this one goes pretty good, pretty fast. So let's take a little pause here, and we'll get the radar set up, and we'll see how fast this thing goes. $38. Yes, that seems right. Almost out of battery. $36. Let's give her one more run. $32. I don't think that's 32. One more time. One last time. I think 38 was about right. Somewhere in there. 40. Alright, so there you go, guys. I think about 38, somewhere in there. 35 to 38 is where this one's at. This one has potential to get a brushless system in it. I'd be a little bit like a real mild one. This does have a 550 motor in it. I wonder what the LiPo would do to this. It'd probably liven it up a lot more. So, but we're gonna leave it at that. It was a great running video. It's a great parking lot runner. I'm gonna let the little man take it over. You play out over there. Don't get too close. And we're gonna have some more fun with this. Yeah, don't do too tight turns at that fast. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in again. We're going to leave it here. The WLTOYS D7 Racer. Appreciate all your comments. There'll be a link in the notes to this. Take care, peace out, and we'll catch you on the next one. Say see ya.
See ya.
Peace out.